Here I am going to show you how to fix a leaky faucet. A lot of times it's just the canister inside. Now in my situation, I can actually get the water to shut off if I push the handle just right, but it doesn't work every time and there is a consistent small leak. So this will work whether you have the handle off to the side like mine or if it's actually connected on the side of the faucet. First thing you want to do is turn off the water. Then you can remove the little plate in front of the handle or it's off to the side. This will allow you to access the screw. In my case, mine was a little wedged in there, so I did use a little screwdriver to help get it off. Now using your Allen wrench, you can just remove the little screw and now lift the handle off. In this case, I have a little handle cover that I needed to remove. Yours might not look exactly like this, but get the handle cover off and now you'll have a bonnet nut. You want to remove that nut. I was able to take mine off by hand. In some cases, you might need an adjustable wrench. Now you can take out the old cartridge. In some cases, you can actually just clean this cartridge and reuse it. I tried that by soaking it in vinegar for an hour to help loosen up some of the mineral buildup. It did help, but as far as the leak was concerned, it still leaked and it wasn't perfect. So I went out and bought a new cartridge. They're very popular and common. You can usually get them at your local hardware store or you can order them online. It'll have two plastic pieces sticking out of the bottom that you just need to line up and then it goes right in place. Now on the top, you'll see there is a little red or orange button that you can slide back and forth. This is so that you can adjust the water flow. I just leave it at whatever it's set at, but you can go ahead and adjust it if you want to. Now you simply reverse the process and put everything back together and then turn the water back on. Now this is also a really good time to clean the faucet head. For this, I took a plastic bag, filled it with vinegar and put it around the head of the faucet there and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Vinegar is good because it's really acidic and it will help break down the mineral deposits that are left behind when the water evaporates. I used a new toothbrush for this. I got one of those toothbrushes when I left my last dentist appointment. I never know what to do with these, so I'm glad it came in handy here to clean my faucet. As you can see, it was really gross, but all of that stuff came off and now it's nice and clean again and it is working properly. I can shut it off with one finger and there is no leak. So that's a quick and easy DIY project you can do. If you like this type of stuff, feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.